Okay, so Dad's gonna make a new dish for this Christmas season. He's now looking at the recipe, figuring out what to do. After we get that settled, he's now doing the ingredients. He has to actually make orange zest and juice an orange. Now that's all coming together. Looking good. Here's his potatoes. They look fantastic. See what happens next. Oh, he's double checking the recipe just to make sure that this is what it needs to be. Here goes. Got everything the way you want it. Right. 45, bake at 350, and you hit start. Oh, there you go.
Also, a preheat. You didn't tell me to preheat over here.
It will preheat all it.
It's gravy.
It is gravy, right? We'll see how good that gravy is. What in the world? And it had minutes left on it. Okay, well, Don't throw them out. Oh my Lord, you are not going to eat those burnt ones. No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not. Now you might eat some tasties underneath, but you are definitely not having these charbroiled.
They didn't get any sauce, any liquid. They're dry. See?
Yeah.
That's why they burnt.
Yeah. Well, they were coated in sauce.
But they're not sitting in it.
Yeah, well, okay.
2 minutes.
So good thing we tried it a day ahead of time.
2 minutes.
Right?
I bet underneath's fine. It's just these guys on the top.
We'll certainly
See?
find that out. Okay.
See? Underneath's fine.
Okay, glad your hands are clean.
You don't need
All
it.
right. There you go. Sorry.